It's install day. Woohoo! It's been like 3 days, I think, since I painted it. It's all dusty, but you know.
Shit'll buff out.
So here's the old Fender. Woo. It's right there. So that's all the amount the door will open. So got the tools laid out. Pretty sure I can do this whole thing with a 10mm and the flathead screwdriver. But let's get it jacked up, get that tire off, and get to work. Now I have to remove these bolts here, these 4. Take out these clips that are in here along the liner, the I guess like the little inner fender thing. Just oh, see, that's not so bad. And then behind this there's like a foam pad, and then the sound thing, sound barrier. I believe from inside the door I can pop this thing out, but it's already messed up and it's already been crapped on. So let's get these clips out, and then we'll get these bolts out and see how much more we have. Woo. Well, the fender, I guess like the inner liner thing is out. But I don't guess, it is out. It's right there. Boom. There's a lot more clips than I had anticipated. So this little piece broke. I just, I'm gonna super glued it right here at this edge, where it broke, all along the bottom and the outer area. I just gooped up a lot of the super glue just above it. So what this does, so the headlight would be like right here, and the fender comes over here. This bolts up underneath the fender, and the bumper cover that wraps around. Nobody cares. I think I got them all out. Aha! Oh boy, this looks bad. Okay, so I have it just resting up there right now, obviously, as you can see. Just need to line up all these holes. What I'm doing now is, where's it at? Yeah, this one down here. Have that just resting in there loosely. Trying to line it all up. That piece that I super glued, bolted it to, so it doesn't go to the subframe or anything, it bolts just to this. So I just need to get everything lined up. I don't know, that looks a little effy. Voila. It is installed. I got it lined up pretty decently. I checked on the other side, the factory side. This gap right here is the same, and it also does get a little bit thinner there. And I think that's for when you open the door, this thing tucks in or whatever. But hood opens, closes, but the rest of the lines look good. Again, this is not an OEM Fender, right? So, you know, it's gonna fit how it fits, but for the most part, I'm happy with it. what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to do a little bit of cut and buffing on the fender, get rid of the orange peel to match the factory orange peel. So I'm gonna cut and buff this, and then I'm gonna just buff this, but I'm gonna buff it just where like it blends in so it doesn't look like a shiny new fender. Anyways, I appreciate it, guys. I'm not gonna ask you to like or subscribe, whatever. I don't really give a shit. All right.